Good morning students, my name is Manpreet Singh Chahal. I am making this video on the behalf of Opera IELTS PTE Patiala. Today's task 2 topic is levels of youth crime are increasing rapidly in most cities around the world. What are the causes and effects of this? So it's a cause effect essay. We would be making two paragraphs, one for causes and other for effects. Or alternatively, we can do cause followed by the effect, but it should be ensured that a cause is directly relevant to the effect or vice versa, right? So instead of doing this, we would be going with the first scenario, that is causes in different para and effect in other, right? So have a look at intro. Metropolises are witnessing a surge in juvenile delinquency these days. So it's a paraphrasing. So we have two causes: dysfunctional families and draconian school rules are to be blamed for this. We have two causes of this, and now the effect part, we would be giving the thesis that it has detrimental effects on the future prospect of adolescents. We are not giving the effects itself. So that we would be discussing in body para 2, right? So kindly pause the video and read the para. Okay. Teenage criminal behavior has its roots in deprivation of parental love or affection going back to early infancy. Future delinquents invariably have a chaotic, disintegrating family life. To illustrate, high crime neighborhoods are characterized by high concentration of family abandoned by fathers. So definitely child delinquency or juvenile delinquency has its roots in family life or disordered family life, right? This frequently lead to aggression. So it's effect of first topic idea: aggression and hostility toward others outside the family in form of bullying, egging and physical assault. So I have given topic idea, elaboration and effect of first idea. Now the second. School districts across the world employ harsh discipline policies that push students of color out of classroom and into a criminal justice system at alarming rate. A phenomenon known as school to prison pipeline. So it's a second topic idea. Now the example part: in Meridian, Mississippi, law enforcement agencies routinely arrest and transport youth to juvenile detention center for minor classroom misbehavior. Behavior that once resulted in trip to principal's office now is ground for detention. So schools are adopting zero tolerance policy, which sometimes lead to this, right? Now the body para 2. In this para we will be talking about effects, right? So first topic idea: children who are on trajectory of worsening antisocial behavior are very likely to join gangs during adolescence. They can be attractive partners for older, more entrenched gang members, right? So I'm going to elaborate this with the help of example of BC. British Columbia, Canada, organized crime groups are infamous to recruit young men around the age of 16 who have their driver license. They basically work as a dial adopter, an individual who deliver drugs to specific location day or night. So it's a first effect that they would join gang. Now the second part: due to their low level of gang hierarchy, at all time they are vulnerable to attack by rival groups. Those who managed, firstly, they are vulnerable to attacks, and secondly, those who manage to somehow leave this life behind without getting killed or seriously injured often develop pattern of alcohol or narcotics abuse and extensive police record that severely limit their employment opportunities. So it impacts their life seriously, right? So this was all about body para 2. To reiterate, poor parenting for body para 1 or first cause, and zero tolerance policy at school are the causative factor behind this problem. Criminality decreases any shot the young might have at leading a stable life. it is last line for body para 2. So I have given this summary of body para 1 and body para 2. So this was all about today's essay. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any query you can contact Opera IELTS PTE Patiala on given numbers, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Stay safe.